That's what happens. If you put a bunch of sealer in there, it's slippery, slidey. It's slippery. And so when you go to tighten it, your gasket can slip off of your valve cover. So that all you had in the back there was this little teeny tiny bit of gasket sealing on the head. So realistically, you need a new gasket. The oil in it to make sure that check the back. I got right on the back. Left, yeah, I got it. Is your I got 2 brake lights, yeah. So it's talking about a supplemental. Before the security was on, so I made my little thing and hooked it in here. So that bypassed that. So fuel level low, that makes washer low, that makes sense. Climate control, that makes sense. This thing, supplemental restraint system. So I think that's what I'm hearing. Although it seems to me your uncle said it had air suspension on it or something. And so when I try to start it, it doesn't have enough juice. Oh, it's actually working up here.
How many miles does it
have? It doesn't say. Let's see here. Troféo. Trip. 185,000.
Wow.
185, 174. We're thinking maybe he couldn't or didn't look to find the end of the wiring harness. The harness comes down, then it goes down. Well, if you look down through there, you can see the end of the harness, but the air conditioning wires go underneath that motor mount right there. And if you didn't look and if you didn't pull the wire out, then you don't see it, but hey, that was your Uncle Jerry. I mean, you could tear them apart, but putting them back together was a whole different kind of deal.